How are you, dear learners? I am hopeful that you are fine. I am fine also. You are going to participate in your first class. Firstly, I want to express my familiarity with you. I am M. Iqbal Hussain. I am lecturer in English, Jawahir School and College, Patgaon, Kishoreganj. Dear learners, it is first class for you. That is to say, it is inaugurating class. You know that for COVID-19, you are not able to participate in formal class, so you are going to participate in online class. From online class, I congratulate you. I congratulate your guardians on behalf of my college. The GB and the teachers of our college. Dear learners, I am hopeful that the epidemic of COVID-19, you are now still in frustration. We are still at frustration situation. So we have to try to involve you in our online class. Dear learners, after COVID-19, I am hopeful that you will be able to participate in our classroom activities. I want to discuss with you English second paper. Firstly, I want to discuss with you about transformation. You know that transformation is a sentence without meaning of sentence changes into another sentence. That is to say, a sentence changes into another sentence without change of meaning. Without change of meaning, a sentence changes into another sentence is called transformation. Belong to transformation, there are some options. I show you on the whiteboard what's the matter of transformation. Firstly, transformation of sentences. Transformation of sentences without change of meaning. A sentence changes into another sentence is called transformation. Dear learners, firstly, affirmative to negative. negative to affirmative. Assertive to interrogative. Next, interrogative to assertive. Assertive to exclamatory. Assertive to exclamatory. They are known as exclamatory to assertive. Without change of meaning, you have to change affirmative to negative, negative to affirmative, assertive to interrogative, interrogative to assertive, assertive to exclamatory, exclamatory to assertive. Adjective of comparison. Or adjective of degree. Adjective of comparison or adjective of degree. Next, positive to comparative. Comparative, positive to comparative and superlative. Comparative to positive and superlative. Superlative to positive and comparative. After that, simple to complex and compound. Complex to simple and compound. These are belong to transformation. It is to say changing sentence. Dear students, now I want to discuss about adjective of comparison. That is to say adjective of degree. a bottle of medicine. The learners one drop for child, 3 drops for adult. One drop for child, 3 drops for adult. Suddenly, you are able to be that this means degree. 1 drop for child, 3 drops for adult. That means degree. Now I want to discuss with you about degree, adjective of comparison. Degree comes from adjective. Degree comes from adjective. Degree is divided into 3 classes. Adjective of degree is divided into 3 classes. Number 1, positive. Number 2, comparative. Number 3, superlative. Positive means similarity between 2 persons or things. Positive means similarity between 2 persons or things. Comparative, compare between 2 or more persons or things. Superlative is compared among all persons or things. With the person or persons of things means superlative. Look at the example about positive, comparative and superlative. Briefly, positive means similarity. Positive means similarity between 2 things or persons. Compared is compared. Comparative sentence is compare. Comparative is compared between 2 persons or things. Superlative degree means compare among all persons or things with a person or thing. Dear learners, I give an example about positive. He is as strong as a lion. Comparative, a lion is not less stronger than he. Superlative degree. He is the best boy in the class. Best is superlative form of adjective. If you want to a sentence changes from positive to superlative, positive to comparative and superlative, you have to follow two rules. You have to follow few structures and you have to remember few examples. Now I discuss with you about the changement from positive to comparative and superlative. Number one, he is the Kazi Nazrul Islam is the greatest poet in Bangladesh. Dear learners, it's superlative degree, greatest. It's superlative form of adjective. If you want to change the sentence into comparative, Kazi Nazrul Islam, Kazi Nazrul Islam is greater than any other poet in Bangladesh. Dear learners, you have to changement if you want to change superlative to comparative. Next, that is to say, greatest will be changed to greater. You have to add any other point, then any other. Next, positive. If you want to into positive degree from superlative and comparative, you have to write no other. Next extension, poet in Bangladesh. Is as great as Kazi Nazrul Islam. If you want to change from superlative and comparative to positive, firstly you have to write no other. Next, poet in Bangladesh, extension, verb is as great, simple adjective, as Kazi Nazrul Islam. Dear learners, next class I have to discuss about details. Time is very short, so I have to finish my class. I am hopeful that you have to participate this class nicely. Thank you very much.